Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some delicious brown stew chicken with white rice. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use for my recipe. For my vegetables, I have half of an onion, half of a red bell pepper, as well as 3 green onions that I'm going to finely chop. In addition to my chopped vegetables, I also have 5 garlic cloves that I'm going to finely chop and set aside. For my next ingredient, I have soaked 4 chicken breasts in a vinegar and water solution and rinsed under cool running water, but I'm only going to use 2 of those chicken breasts for my recipe. I'm removing the fat around both of my chicken breasts. Once I'm done, I'm going to dice both chicken breasts into small cubes. For my dry seasonings, I'm starting off by lightly sprinkling some paprika, some dry thyme, some basil, some celery flakes, some dry parsley, as well as some Goya adobo seasoning salt to taste. And lastly, I'm adding half of the chopped vegetables and garlic. I'm using a spatula to mix all the ingredients together, and I'm also making sure that I'm spreading evenly the seasoning and the spices throughout the pieces of chicken. Then I'm going to set it aside and place it in the refrigerator for about 25 to 30 minutes covered. Next, I'm preheating some vegetable oil on high heat. I'm adding the remainder of the chopped vegetables, and I'm using my flat spatula to spread the vegetables in the pot. I'm cooking my vegetables for about 3 minutes or until they are soft or translucent. My vegetables are ready, so now I'm ready to add my marinated chicken. I'm using my flat spatula to mix all the ingredients together. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of browning over my chicken. I'm using my flat spatula to spread the browning throughout the chicken evenly. Whilst my chicken is sizzling, I'm adding 1 pack of sazon as well as 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Then I'm going to mix my ingredients together. I'm cooking my chicken for about 15 minutes covered on medium heat. Whilst my chicken is cooking, I have peeled 1 large potato and I'm going to cut it into small cubes and set it aside. It has been 15 minutes since my chicken has been cooking, so I'm going to mix in my diced potatoes. I'm also adding 1 cup of tomato sauce, half a cup at a time, along with 1 cup of water. I'm bringing my chicken to a boil, then I'm going to add an additional cup of water and I'm going to cook my chicken for about 15 minutes on medium heat. During the 15 minutes of cooking, I did my taste test and the taste was not quite there yet. So I added an additional half a pack of sazon as well as 1 pinch of salt. My chicken has been cooking for about 15 minutes, so now I'm going to stir in 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. I'm allowing my stewed chicken to simmer on low for 3 minutes, then I'll be ready to serve. My brown stewed chicken is finally ready. Look at that. Look how the potatoes have absorbed some of that sauce. So guys, this is my plate. I made some white rice to go with my brown stewed chicken. And I also have my corn on the cob on the side all buttered up. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.